Hello YouTube, this is Farzad K with Dr. K Tutorials, bringing you another short and simple tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cool logo or banner for your YouTube channel. To make the logo, all you need is a free paint software that comes with your Windows or Mac operating system. The logo is going to be composed of a nice background and a text overlay with your logo or specific brand on the background. So first we need to find a nice background to use for our logo. Let's open the Chrome browser. Up here, I'm going to type the website I usually like to use for getting these free pictures. It's called Pixabay. It's a database of pictures that you can actually use for free. I have a simple idea of what my logo is going to look like, and I know it needs a white or gray background. So in the search box, I'm going to just type gray and white and press enter. So it's going to give me some options. As you can see, some of the options already have watermarks on them, so we want to avoid those because it's going to interfere with the brand you're going to put on your background. So among the options that it's given me, this one looks pretty good. I'm going to choose it. Pixabay gives you options to download the picture in different sizes. Usually the largest size requires you to sign up for an account with Pixabay. So to avoid that, we're just going to go one size smaller, which is going to be more than big enough for our purposes. I'm going to press the download button. Sometimes it asks you to enter a CAPTCHA, and if it does that, just enter it and press enter, so the image is downloaded. So we have the background downloaded to the computer. In the next step, I'm going to go ahead and create some cool text with my brand to put on the background. So I'm going to go to this website called Cool Text. So let's just load that up. As you can see, it gives you a lot of options of different cool fonts that you can use for your logo. Among the different options here, I know that Keen is going to look good for the look I'm going for this current project. So I'm just going to choose that. So in the next page, you see this box where you can actually type the text of your logo or brand. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Dr. K Tutorials. So you can see the text being generated up above this line here. So I want to center the two lines with each other. So I'm just going to put in some white blank spaces behind or in front of Dr. K. Also, the text size is a bit small for my purposes. So I want to make a really big logo. I'm just going to increase the text size to 250. So I'm going to just type 250 in the text size box. And you can see that it's going to increase the size as evident in this image. So you have other options as well to change some properties of the text. You want to make sure that under the shadows, there's no shadow because once we copy a transparent selection of the PNG, we don't want shadows to create artifacts in our picture. There are other options as well. You can figure those out yourself. One thing I do want to show you is that once you click on the logo, you can increase the thickness of the outline of the text. Just click here and change. I'm going to increase that to 5. So the updated text is, again, you can see up here. Once you have what you're happy with, just going to press Create Logo, and it's going to go to the next page where you can actually download the image of the font. So both of these files have now been downloaded to my computer. I'm going to open the download location. As you can see, I have the background and the text that I generated. I'm going to minimize my browser. I'm opening each of these images into a separate Paint program. I'm just going to move that to the side and open the other one as well. With my text, take this to the side. So what you want to do here, I'm I'm just going to zoom out quickly so you can see the whole image. So I'm going to go into my text, go into the select option and click on transparent selection. Then I'm going to select all and I'm going to copy it by clicking on the copy option. So now I'm going to go to my background on the other paint program that's open. Again, I'm going to choose select and click on transparent selection. And then I'm going to click on paste. As you can see, now it brings the text with transparent selection onto the background. So I'm just going to center where I want it to be and save it to my computer. And there you have it. Of course, you can trim the edges to make a smaller logo, but now you have a nice logo to use with your YouTube channel. If you found this tutorial useful, please take a moment to like the video. And if you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'd be happy to get your recommendations for other tutorials which you'd like to see. I'll see you back here again for another tutorial, and have a good day.